Hi there, kids. I'm Miss Sprinkle, your super sweet cupcake host. Today, we're going on a magical ABC adventure. Are you ready to learn your letters with me? Let's sprinkle some fun and get started. A for airplane, helping us to go around the world. B is for bee, busy buzzing around, making honey for you and me. C is for cupcake, that's me, such a sweet and sugary treat. D is for dragon, the fiery guardian of treasure, and the ultimate BBQ enthusiast. E is for elephant, the gentle giant with a memory sharper than your last math teacher. F is for fish, the aquatic acrobat of the seas. They swim all day and never get tired. G is for giraffe, the tallest animal in the world, always reaching for the stars, or at least leaves. H is for hat, the stylish protector of heads and bad hair days everywhere. I is for ice cream, the sweet treat that solves every bad day, except when it melts too fast. J is for jellyfish, the underwater glow stick that doesn't need batteries. K is for kite, the paper plane's cool cousin, soaring high on windy afternoons. L is for lion, the king of the jungle, and the original expert at roaring competitions. M is for moon, the night's spotlight, shining down on lovers, dreamers, and sleepyheads alike. N is for nest, the cozy starter home for every little bird and big dreams. O is for octopus, the sea's multitasker with 8 arms and 0 coffee breaks. P is for penguin, the tuxedoed swimmer who proves you don't need wings to be cool. Q is for queen, the ruler of hearts and castles, chess or otherwise. R is for rainbow, nature's way of reminding us to look up and find magic after every storm. S is for sun, the celestial alarm clock that never hits snooze. T is for tiger, the striped predator who owns the jungle runway like a fashion model. U is for umbrella, your portable shield against rain, sun, and unexpected bird encounters. V is for volcano, Mother Nature's fiery showstopper, proving it's okay to blow off some steam. W is for whale, the ocean's opera singer with the loudest voice in the sea. X is for xylophone, the musical instrument that turns tapping into tunes. Y is for yak, the fluffy mountain dweller who wins at winter fashion. Z is for zebra, the black and white wonder who wears stripes better than anyone else. Okay, friends, thanks for watching. See you next time.